In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make pink fireworks in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated for 2026. To get started, gather the materials you need. You will need one paper, one pink dye, and gunpowder. For the full recipe, keep in mind that you will use one gunpowder to make the firework star first, and then you will need 1 to 3 more gunpowder when crafting the firework rocket. That means the total amount of gunpowder you need depends on how powerful you want the rocket to be. Once you have your materials ready, open a crafting table. The first part of this process is making the pink firework star. Place 1 gunpowder into the crafting grid, then add 1 pink dye. This creates a pink firework star. The firework star is what gives the rocket its explosion color, so this step is what makes the final firework burst pink. After that, stay at the crafting table and begin making the firework rocket. Place 1 paper into the crafting grid, then add the pink firework star you just crafted. Next, add 1 to 3 gunpowder. The amount of gunpowder you use affects the flight duration of the rocket. Using 1 gunpowder gives you a shorter flight, using 2 gives you a medium flight, using 3 gives you a longer flight before the firework explodes. When the recipe is complete, take the firework rocket from the output slot and move it into your inventory. You now have a pink firework ready to use. To launch it, equip the firework rocket in your hand and use it in an open area. Once launched, it will travel upward and create a pink firework explosion in the sky. If you want to make more, repeat the same process using additional paper, gunpowder, and pink dye. This is a simple recipe, but it is useful if you want custom fireworks for celebrations, builds, events, or just for decoration in your Minecraft world. The key part to remember is that the pink dye goes into the firework star recipe, and then that star is used to craft the final rocket. Follow these steps carefully, and you will be able to make pink fireworks quickly and reliably in Minecraft 26.1.2. That covers everything you need to know.